Yeah, that's what we were thinking too.
And then I seen it go. I said, "Oh my god!"
There's nothing worse than being underwater trying to pull something.
How did it happen?
He was just back. We were gonna load the boat back up, and he was just backing up, and then he got out of the car to see how far he was in, and he said he had the brake on, and it was in park, and it just started slipping in.
They just cleaned this earlier too.
Yeah, that's what he said.
We have to get another boat, dude. Something to get forward nearing to help hold that thing. You want me to get my boat?
Or this, actually, this guy could just go over.
Yeah, actually, he could just float over there. Put somebody on that ski just to make it stand. Probably do that, man. There's video on that. Let's go out there. Let's go out there and hold on to it for us.
Yeah, somebody needs
Yeah,
to go out just hang on
actually,
to
that's what we need is
An anchor.
somebody to hold that ski and everything.
it.
Out there,
I had a life jacket and go, but...
Do you need a vest?
Never mind.
He's going to get a vest.
You can't get down, David.
The seat is going. Yeah. You look like a buoy.
You videotaping?
Diana is.
Do you guys live here?
No.
Are you on vacation?
They were camping for a few days and then me.
What, you
The
can sit right
hubby
here,
and the
okay?
baby
You can
came
sit right
out
here, don't
today.
move. Sit down.
This
Stuff still on the ski?
No, he kept them.
You got everything?
Well, hang out for that now. Walk in the water. Stop. I'm gonna take it back. You want me to hold? You want Daddy to hold you? Sit right there. Sit down. Sit down right there. Don't move. Right there.
Right, son. It won't sing, right? It's slow.
Folks, all right. Just letting you guys know, when they start pulling the thing up, you guys are going to have to get off the dock, okay?
Okay.
I just don't want the line to break and then you get hurt and then I get yelled at.
Okay.
So, when I yell...
Man out there doing it.
Oh, I understand. I understand. This is kind of an awkward situation. Just when I yell at you, just please get off the dock.
Okay. Oh, the shoes, thank you. Okay.
Got it?
Okay, so they're gonna start pulling now.
You got it? You're gonna stand up, you have to go everything, okay? Come on. Come on. We have to go. We have to go.
golf cart.
We're from Long Beach. We just came out for the day.
You should like start a campfire and make s'mores.
It's good to have humor when stuff like this goes wrong.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm doing this too long not to have a sense of humor.
True.
Oh,
You team so much, it's kind of hard to, after you team.
It's still pretty heartbreaking though.
Still
for us,
heartbreaking
too,
when I was watching it go in.
We
I
were,
was in the boat and I was
The kids were crying, no?
yeah.
Oh yeah. Daddy's toy just got destroyed.
Your vehicle's your livelihood.
And if he doesn't tie that boat up, it's gonna crash too.
I'm like, if he's standing on the truck, we lost it.
Oh, here it comes. I can see it. Here it comes. Yeah. Here. I already had started on mine. Start yours up again. Stay right here.
Yeah, come this way.
The doors, both doors are open?
Take as many photos as you want to, just please don't get me mad at my footage in it.
I don't know how we're able to do that.
I want him to pull it up.
Tyler threw the ball. My brother had to go get it.
Looks like I'm pulling the truck out of the water. Yeah, he gets in there like fart.
Poor.
What's in it?
Look at that dog.
Tons of.
Are you guys with them at all? Alright, then I'll stop talking crap.
It's okay.
It is what it is,
So
man.
what happened? Did the parking brake went out or what?
Nah, he opened the door to see where he was at. Second parking brake. He wanted to see how far he was, but he couldn't really see. And I was out there, and the wind was blowing hard at the time, so I couldn't come in close. So he just backed up and wanted to see if he looked like that's what he was doing, kind of seeing where he was at in the water. And all of a sudden, he just started sliding back. He jumped back in it, and
Just to stop you, I want to show you what color our lake is.
yeah,
Inside the headlights.
and the headlights.
See it? Continue.
But that's what happened. He jumped back in, tried to stop it from sliding any further, and it was already too late. It was way too late. So
They were out there cleaning too, so maybe it helped it.
The chemicals.
oh, it's slippery. When I was walking up right now, it was really slippery. Yeah, Taylor said that's
I'm
cool.
like, wow.
It's fairly new.
What do you guys get for?
said he hooked it up to the bottom of the on the toe, the toe ring on the bottom. Yeah.
I just want to see the show truck move second.
Yeah, that guy over there's got his camera too. He's the one that gave us the waters.
Remember when my truck did that over there
Yeah.
and we freaked out?
Just him.
He got out, yeah.
My dad said, yeah, he's seen someone. I was like, oh my god. It's like all that pressure gets.
Yeah, it's so hard to open the doors and everything.
Right. I mean, just by watching